Clarissa Munger Badger was born May 20, 1806, died December 14, 1889. He was a mid-19th century American botanical illustrator best known for 3 volumes of flower paintings accompanied by poetry. She also painted on textiles. This was a volume of poetry by William Cullen Bryant, Lydia Sigourney, Mary Howitt, and others, illustrated with 13 of her flower paintings, which was illustrated with 22 plates of individual common flowers such as trailing arbutus, purple violet, cardinal flower, and harebell. In her 1859 book Wild Flowers Drawn and Colored from Nature, not only was made up of her illustrations but of her poetry as well. In her poems, she personifies the flowers. She wrote in first person, making it seem that the flower that was drawn on the next page was telling you the story of what it did or how it lived, like in the excerpt from the Sweet Brier poem.